short and sweet. Hello folks, I used to compose songs in Cubase which more or less looked like this, until I noticed that I could add colors to my tracks or to audio within the tracks. It turned out to be so important that I don't start any recording in Cubase now without setting colors first. This is the icon. I select all drum parts and color them brown or orange. I can select the track on the very left and add the color to the whole track. Even if you record new parts on that track, they will have that color. 3 tracks in this example are vocals. I select all 3 and turn them from grey into yellow. If I consider certain parts as important in one or another way, I select them and color them slightly differently. If I had tinted them red, these parts would stand out too drastically for me, so well, this kind of bright color is just fine. You see, colors are very easy to apply. Not so much fun is applying proper names to the tracks. Drums, piano, vocals, and vocals left and right. It is important, but the colors are more important for me personally. What I found out just recently was the keyboard shortcut P. P sets the range to the activated tracks. It sets the range. This is a great shortcut. Manually, you always have to fiddle around with the range, where to start and where to end. I use the P shortcut to set loops or to export a certain range of my song, or of course the whole song. Well, easy I know. Cheers!